Going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment today with a plug toilet, so we're gonna take a look here. Flushing it, backs up. So we're gonna throw the auger down and see if we find anything. If not, maybe we'll pull the toilet off. So the auger doesn't want to go through, so I think we're gonna put the camera in here just to kind of see if we see anything. This is the camera. So you can see that's some sort of brush. Those are the bristles. Okay. So I'm just going to show the tenant. Ma'am.
Get your pencil to do your homework, and I'm playing that game with you. Is there something in there?
Yeah.
What is in there?
See that?
What? What's that?
That's some sort of brush. So
What?
those are the bristles.
I recently moved here, so that probably been there.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived there since December.
Since December? It's possible. I'm not gonna say it's not possible.
I've never had those type of brushes.
No, eh? Okay,
No.
not a problem. So you gotta let the management know because I can't get it out. That's the only problem, right? So they're gonna.
Let me see that again. This is crazy. And even to the point that it looks rotten.
Yeah, it definitely looks like it's been
decayed.
there a while.
It's been there a while.
Yes.
Like previous tenants.
Yeah, no, I'm not saying it's not.
No,
by any means,
I'm
right?
watching it. It looks like, cause.
Yeah, cause like right there, right? It looks like it's been there a while.
Wow, like it even like in the area, and maybe they've been using because we use because even like when we came, I told them that at first the toilet wasn't flushing at all.
Yeah.
But then they came and they used the snake thingy.
Yeah.
And then after it was flushing, and then after it started to like back off.
Maybe they moved it to the side.
Yeah.
Or with these toilets, maybe it was further down.
Come 1 second.
And the other guy maybe pulled it out a little bit, but still couldn't see it, and everything was going good. That's possible. These toilets are stupid. So stupid. They're the worst toilets on the market. They really are.
That's so crazy, though.
So, I gotta let them know because I can't clear, right? That's the only reason I gotta let them know. So, hopefully somebody will be in contact with you.
They're not gonna be able to clear it anytime soon. This is like really. I wonder if they're still open.
The management office isn't, but I should be able to get all of the super and let him know, and then they're gonna have to go from there.
Because when I just came, I told them I said it's not flushing.
Yeah.
And they came in, and today they came in with a snake as well.
Yeah.
So basically, I don't know, but that looks like it looks like it has extra residue.
Oh yeah, no, that looks like it's been there a while.
You know why? What's something here? I'll show you, right?
Yeah.
Right here. Even when the water, when it flooded.
Yeah.
Come see that side. This looks like it was decayed. So now this is just collapsing. But that can be something from December because that's rotten.
Yeah.
That's decayed.
Yeah.
Like I guess they just touch up the apartment. Because even like I have to do a paint job myself.
Really?
But I'm waiting till it gets warm because I'm like, okay, once you wipe the wall, the paint is off.
Really?
So, and then I called them and I said, by my window, it's full of mold. And my room, it's bad mold.
Yeah, that's no good.
So open the door. Come, go in.
Hi.
Come, Jojo.
Okay,
He's
you
doing
go
his
over
job.
there.
Come. Let him do his job.
Okay, so I'm just gonna wrap up here, and then I'll.
So we still can't use the washroom.
Unfortunately not. Sorry.
That's ridiculous. I have to. He's fully potty trained, and now I have to be putting pull-ups on him.
Well, because
just for the fact.
well, yeah, he's not gonna be able to make it, right?
Number 2, he can't do a number 2.
Yeah.
The older kids could tell me, and I take them to my mom. But
Yeah.
he might just run in the toilet and do it. To avoid that, I have to put my kid all the way back into pull-ups and retrain him.
Yeah. No, I know, and that's ridiculous. So I'm gonna wrap up here, and then we'll go from there. Okay?
Please and thank you. Hello, the man is working. You come go eat your cupcake. You're not listening. What did I tell you about listening?
So, as you can see, there was some sort of brush in the toilet. I can't get it out. These toilets, because of this double trap, you can't get the snake around there, and the problem is right here. So, I'm going to let the management know, and they're going to have to go from there. So, this has been Jay, that drain guy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Taragna.